Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable LinkedIn story replies and mentions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable replies to your LinkedIn stories, start by opening the LinkedIn app on your device. Log into your LinkedIn account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home feed, look for your profile picture in the top left corner. Tap on your profile picture to access your profile. Scroll down until you see the story section. Tap on the Create a Story option to enter the story creation mode. Now, look for the settings gear icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon to open the story settings menu. Here, you will find options related to your story's privacy and interactions. To disable replies, locate the option that mentions story replies. Toggle this setting off to prevent others from replying to your stories. Next, to disable mentions, navigate back to the main settings menu. Look for the section labeled Privacy or Mentions. Select the option that allows you to control who can mention you in their stories. Choose the setting that limits mentions to only your connections or turn them off entirely. Once you've made your adjustments, make sure to save the changes if prompted. Now, exit the settings menu by tapping on the back arrow. You have successfully disabled replies and mentions for your LinkedIn stories. Feel free to create your story, knowing you have more control over your interactions. Congratulations on customizing your LinkedIn experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.